Hey everyone, today's ACT sample problem is on the topic of simplifying functions. The question reads, if f of x equals 3 times 2x minus 4 minus 5 times x plus 1, what is f of x in its simplest form? And we have 5 answer choices, so let's get into it. Step 1 is to distribute. So I'm going to write my little arrows to show that I'm going to distribute the 3 to both terms in the first set of parentheses and the negative 5 to both terms in the second set of parentheses. All right, so 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times a negative 4 is a negative 12. Negative 5 times x is a negative 5x, and negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Step 2 is to then combine our like terms. So a quick refresher on what is a like term. So the terms have to have the same variable and exponent or no variables, okay, which will be our constants. So in what we have here, we see that the 6x and the negative 5x, that's a pair of like terms, and our constants negative 12 and negative 5 are like. All right. You can also, through the commutative property of addition, rearrange the order. If you want to put your like terms next to each other, just keep the sign in front of the term the same. So I can rewrite this as 6x minus 5x minus 12 minus 5. Okay. Now, whenever you do combine your like terms, when you have variables, do not touch the variables or the exponents. You are only going to add or subtract the coefficients, which are the numbers that are in front of the variables. All right. So for 6x minus 5x, that's a difference of 1x or simply x. For negative 12 minus 5, so for my people who struggle with your signs, okay, so remember that we can use a little saying, our technique here called keep, change, flip, or keep, change, opposite. Keep the sign on the negative 12, change your operation, and then flip the sign to a negative 5 here. Okay, so that'll leave you with a negative 12 plus a negative 5, which is a negative 17. All right, so negative 17 here. So our simplified function is x minus 17, which is choice B. All right, and we're done. So feel free to comment with any feedback or questions, and I look forward to working the next problem with you guys. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.